So today we'll discuss express the numerator and denominator of each of the following as a product of power of prime numbers and then simplify. So our first question is what? 8 into 9 square into 6 cube by 12 square into 3 to the power 5. So 8 will become 2 cube and 9 square into what? 6 cube. So denominator will become 12 square into 3 to the power 5. Now simplification. Now simplification. So 2 we have to put 3 times, 9 we have to put 2 times, again 6 we have to put 3 times, 12 we will put 2 times, again 3 we will put 5 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so when we will calculate, we will get 4. Number B question is 4 cube into 9 square into 15 square into 4 by 6 square into 5 into 3 square into 2 cube into 2. So this one 4 cube into 9 square into 15 square into 2 square, again 6 square into 5 into 3 square into 2 cube into 2. So now simplification. Now simplification. So 4 will put 3 times, 9 will put 2 times, 15 will put 2 times, again 2 will put 2 times. Okay, so 6 will put denominator will become what? 6 will put 2 times, 5 will put and 3 will put 2 times and 2 will put, and 3 will put 2 times, 2 will put 3 times, again 2. When we calculate, we will get 180. Our C number question is 6 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 3 into 5 by 15 to the power 4 into 8 to the power 3. So now 6 we have to put like this by into 10 cube into 5, again 15 we have to put 15 square whole square into 8 cube. Now simplification. Now simplification. So 6 will put 6 times, 5 6. Okay, again 10 will put 3 times, again 5. 15 will put 4 times, into 8 we'll put 3 times. So when we'll calculate, we'll get the answer is 9. Okay, or D number is our D number is 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 25 by 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5. Okay, so 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 5 square, 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5. Now simplification. So 3 will put 5 times, 5 or 10 will put 5 times, 10 will put how much time? 5 times. Again 5 will put 2 times. Again 5 will put denominator what? 5 will put 7 times, 3 4 okay, 3 4 5 6 into 6 will put 5 times. Okay, 6 we are putting how much time? 5 times. So when you will calculate, we'll get 1. Okay, our next question is 25 into 25 into x to the power 9, 10 to the power 3 into x to the power 5. So this one we can write 25 whole square into x to the power cube whole cube, 10 to the power 3 into x to the power what? 5. So now simplification. Now simplification. So 25 into 25 into x we have to put 9 times. Times x we have to put 9 times, 10 we have to put 3 times. Okay, again x we have to put what? 5 times. So our answer will be 5x to the power 4 by 8. 5x to the power 4 by 8.